Hello traders, apa macam? Thank you so much for joining us in today's live stream, guys. I apologize if either my voice is a bit off. Okay, it's either these two things. Number one, I actually went to meet someone just now, so there was quite a bit of talking, and my parents came over. Okay, so it's always amazing to speak with your parents and all. Okay, I love speaking with them. So I spoke a lot already. And then another thing, my computer actually, I had a session with a student earlier. Okay, it was an amazing session. I always love my sessions with my students. So I talked quite a bit already there, and I forgot to charge my laptop while I was going out now. Okay, because I was kind of rushing to make sure I'm not late. So I won't be able to use my microphone that I usually use during my live stream. So bear with me if you guys really can't hear much or anything like the volume is a bit slow. Just let me know. Okay, let me know in the chat as we go through our session today. Okay, I'm sorry again, it's a bit late. I usually will do my sessions about 8:30-ish. But like I said, I went to meet someone and then also I was out with my parents. So yeah, nevertheless, it's a good time also because right now New York session opens, right? So let's analyze the market. So beautifully like what we expected, guys. AUD USD, I did mention to focus on the buying opportunity. So personally, I got break even. Okay, I got stopped out because I entered here during London session for a buy. My potential target was all these areas lah. Okay, ultimate is around this area here. Then we came back inside our zone for break even, and then I re-entered the market. I will show you guys also. Okay. Transparency is key. This is my entry again. You guys can watch. There's a blue line there. Entry. Okay, this is roughly the amount running right now. Okay, so I still believe that we can primarily focus on buying opportunities for AUD USD. I am anticipating for a move at least to this level here personally, but I don't think it will stop there. I believe this channel liquidity also may be taken out. If you ask me, will that happen within today? Definitely no. Maybe by this week. Overall, my bias for AUD/USD is towards the upside lah. Okay, so far for this week. Oh wait, did I do my intro? There's something I always forgot. I think I didn't do my intro. Okay, that's a reverse. Okay, I start my intro. Hello guys. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for almost 4 years now, and what I do in my live streams is basically sharing with you guys as much free latest information pertaining to price action, and I give you guys my analysis, my bias, my predictions, especially trades that I am anticipating to enter on, like for example AUD/USD. Okay, so that I hope in hopes that you'll be able to help you guys see some form of profitability. You really getting the charts together with me as the market moves, learn how the market moves and why I give such predictions. I really just hope we're able to help you guys out as much as possible. I also have my own personalized 6-week course that I do, which you guys can actually apply and enroll for. But again, this month's course is closed. Okay, I only intake students within the first 2 weeks of the month because I don't want anybody new to come in, and then you cannot really join with the students that are currently participating because they are like third week of almost fourth week in already right now, right? So I want to give respect to the students that are currently in the program, and nevertheless, new students can apply to join for next month. Okay, if you guys are interested to find more details about it, basically it is a 6-week course tailored to wherever stage you are in trading. Maybe you're a beginner trader. Okay, you don't have to have experience at all, but within 6 weeks, I will make you guys be able to see the markets like how I do, analyze them like how I do on a day-to-day basis. You can keep going and watch all of my live streams if you have so much of time. Okay, how I give out my predictions and where the market actually move in that certain location, why everything you guys will be able to actually do whatever I do basically in 6 weeks time. So if that sounds interesting, guys, I have my links in the description below where you guys can reach out to me through Instagram to find out more details. Just let me know you're from YouTube, that will mean so much. Hello teacher, hello, thank you so much for joining the live stream. Today market quite good. Every day market is good. There's never been a day market not good. Even suddenly a powerful move down, suddenly powerful move up. Like this one here. This is terrible. This one. This one I was putting a sell. Okay. Break even. And then you go down. Because suddenly we have move up. But nevertheless, it's still beautiful. See? It still go down. Beautiful doesn't... Okay, I need to clarify this. Beautiful doesn't mean when market go in our direction. That feeling is amazing because we predicted something and the market is flowing in such a way whereby our market bias and predictions is correct, is accurate. Okay? Nevertheless, if the market don't move suddenly up, suddenly down, suddenly up, suddenly down, suddenly up, suddenly down, then market is insane already lah. Okay? But nevertheless, I agree with what you said. Today the market is good. Every day the market is good. It's good to say that. Then we only will see good opportunities. I believe that. Okay? So I just wanted to share with you guys about AUD USD, and then now we're going to jump into crypto first before we go into potentially gold, to find a potential opportunity. So Dogecoin, I kind of written this, yesterday. For now, can focus on sales. I didn't enter this personally. There is a reason why I didn't enter this, guys. It's because Solana was kind of moving towards the upside, yesterday. Okay, that's why I was here. I was focusing on buys, but now primarily, right, focusing on sales seems like a good opportunity lah. But personally, maybe a bit late, but I still feel Dogecoin may be going down. Let me just check it out a bit. Okay, guys, give me a moment. I also need to see some stuff. Let's make sure everything is good before I potentially enter opportunity. Okay, Dogecoin. Oh, wait, hold on a moment, guys. Dogecoin, yeah. So initially last week, if you guys don't know, I did enter Dogecoin also lah. So this is the one I want to show you guys transparency lah. Okay, initially is this. Hold on. I better save it. Then only it can be more clearer. There we go. I did post this lah on my Instagram. Still very hard to see. On my Instagram story. I don't know if it's still available or not. But I was still interested to trade either Dogecoin or Solana. Okay, either these two lah. Because Dogecoin has been very good in terms of volume and how market actually is behaving or moving, guys. Okay, this is personally like what I'm able to understand and see. So, based on what I can see also right now, right, because what I do is essentially I look at my crypto, not wallet, my crypto broker. Okay, why I do this is because, right, my crypto broker will be able to give me specific price based on what I'm seeing in the market as of now. If that makes sense, I don't know if that makes sense or not. Because whatever you see here, right, if you guys are using TradingView, I'll show you something. You see this thing, right, when you want to find specific pair, let's say. Okay, let's go Forex. Everybody knows Forex very well. You see all of these things, these words here. If any of you guys ever had this confusion, why some is different price, some looks got so much of gap, whatever, all of this stuff, right? All of these are brokers. Okay, these guys are specific brokers that are available in the market, and they are giving the price available on TradingView. Okay, make sense? So if you are using any one of these brokers, right, this one is if I'm not mistaken, this is also a regulated broker lah. If I'm not mistaken. So it's good to choose FXCM is also okay. So you use brokers that are providing these prices, right, who are regulated. So those prices are similarly very accurate to what currently the price is showing lah. But however, the broker that I use is Bitunix for crypto space. Okay, if you guys want to use the same brokers that I use, so I have links in the description below. The pricing is not different because how do I use this term? It's not because the broker is not regulated or anything. Bitunix is regulated. It's just because I don't have that broker providing price on TradingView as of now. So that's why I will always refer to price based on my brokerage that is available here to make sure I get a very good entry opportunity. So you guys should do the same. Okay, so if you guys watch carefully, right, you see mostly it's FXCM or Onda, is it? Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. See, usually it's just to do these two brokers only. I'm pretty sure you guys also using other brokers, right, for Forex and all. So whatever you see in TradingView, don't blindly enter. Okay, use your broker in your app, check again, look at the price, really understand. Is it a good idea for you to enter or not right now? Because the price showing in this specific broker, for example, this is crypto, right? This is under Binance. Okay, their price right now is 0.26200. Maybe Unix will be close by, usually it's always close by this number because crypto space are usually quite accurate lah. Okay, as long as you use regulated brokers that are providing those prices. Just be aware, it's just a tip, it's not something that is scary. Always check whatever broker you're using in your phone also to understand the price difference. Okay, this is just something I'm giving you guys as an advice to make sure that you guys get the best price possible for a potential entry opportunity. Alright, so Solana, Dogecoin, I believe for now we can focus primarily on a selling opportunity. Okay, because we are kind of respecting this current level here, and based on what I can see, give me a moment guys. Alright, yeah, based on what I can see is alright, price is, obviously is respecting this area and we're kind of moving towards the downside. So personally, I'm also kind of interested to enter for Dogecoin, which the opportunity is arising right now lah. Primarily, we can focus towards this liquidity that is resting around this area here, and ultimately at least reaching these key level zones lah. But I would prefer you guys to focus on liquidity areas because those are a lot more tangible. It's something that we can actually see, unless we have liquidity resting within this key level, which we don't. So I would prefer at least 0.24997 or 0.24892. Okay, but primarily you can aim for this liquidity like 0.24892 because these are all low resistance liquidity. Just aim for the lowest one since it's very close by. Alright, so I think that's it for crypto space because right now we can see Dogecoin really playing out beautifully. Let's talk about gold. Okay, gold has been killing it. Okay, we have been crazily moving towards the upside, which is a good thing. Okay, why I say good thing is because I'm also anticipating to enter for gold. I really wanted to enter, but I thought when gold, I actually highlighted this last week okay, during our live stream. Once we reach this level, I will be able to find a potential opportunity for a selling opportunity or buy. But you see how strongly we break through. Okay, we never did anything, we just all the way. Yesterday's live stream, I told you guys, I don't think gold will have a pullback. We will reach this key level first before we see anything happening. That is exactly what happened for gold. We didn't see any pullback. We did reach this level. So yesterday our prediction was very beautifully done, very beautifully accurate, but very beautifully carried out. Price actually carried out. Even now also, personally, based on what I can see, there is still no opportunity for me to enter for gold. Yeah, so I still have to wait personally for gold, but AUD/USD is beautiful. AUD/USD is beautifully moving towards the upside. But gold, I personally don't see an opportunity for me personally as of now. But I do feel that we will be moving towards the upside. If you want me to give you guys a possible prediction, for a safe level to aim for, this is the one, guys. You guys can aim for. Okay, the 3422.92. Okay, of course, if you ask me, do I think it will go higher than this? Yes, I do believe that. But I would like to see gold give me an opportunity to enter But again, we don't own the markets. We have to be humble. We have to respect the markets and flow. Anyways, so today is what? Today is Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday only, guys. We will always have more opportunities. Right now, so you see, price starting to move down, right? So potentially later I can find an opportunity, maybe roughly around 10:30 or 11-ish. Let me see, So, but primary focus for gold is a buy, guys, for me. USD JPY. Okay, this one is very funny. Why I say funny is because I predicted the last week, right? I was looking for buying opportunities here, but it didn't give me the opportunity. We were moving only sideways until market close. So I didn't potentially enter but then we start to move down. So I did highlight that I believe USD JPY will be moving towards the downside. Also, there isn't an opportunity for potential entry. We did just really smash the ground like crazy here when we are still moving aggressively towards the downside So no opportunity as of now, but the liquidity level, right, we might be heading to roughly around this level here, guys. So 146.141. So just look up for this number. I'm not telling you guys to enter just because I give you guys these predictions. My predictions can be wrong, okay? Even though I always highlight on my live streams and then I show you guys the results, it does go there. Nevertheless, always be humble. You see, initially, right, my prediction for this was here. I said potentially I'm entering for a buy. I want to focus on buys. Did that happen? No. See, my predictions can be wrong also, time to time. So don't just because I give you guys predictions, you guys blindly enter. That's not trading. That's gambling. Okay, we have to just understand. If I believe price is potentially moving towards this direction, okay, fine. But wait for an opportunity to potentially enter. Right now, this is no opportunity, guys. Price is just falling. If you want to enter now for sell, imagine if we get a pullback. What would happen? Don't tell me if you want to enter sell. Let's say we enter here. Our SL is here. This is the safe zone, safest point, and then this is our TP. This is not trading, guys. What is this, guys? 0.26 risk to reward. Better don't trade, guys. Okay, just respect the markets. Don't be greedy. Okay, there's always opportunity. Today is Tuesday only. Remember, the market move down, we will tend to have pullback, right? Market move down. There's no pullback yet. I'm not saying a pullback can happen right now. Potentially, we can straight away go and hit this also, and then we have a pullback. Can also. That's the thing. We're not sure. So, what is the best way? Just wait for the pullback. Most of the money as traders we make is from pullbacks. Okay, because during our pullback is when we actually find our potential entry model for the next either leg up or leg down. We are not trading pullback, we are entering on pullbacks for the next impulse move either up or down. Remember this, I'll say it again. We are not trading pullbacks, we are entering on pullbacks for the next impulse move up or down. Remember these words. Okay, guys. So I'm very serious. Remember these words, because I really want you guys to be successful, not be gamblers in trading. Okay, that's not my goal. I've been there already. It never served me at all. The market humbled me already. Okay, beautifully moving down, guys. Dogecoin, ADUSD. Even though we're having this slight pullback here, I still believe we're about to move higher, personally. Okay, I personally believe we are about to move higher for AUD USD. So if you see also, right, this is market open. Okay, market open. Now we're starting to see like this move towards the downside, right? What is this? Essentially, it could be, it could be. I could be wrong. This is what I believe only. Okay, I believe I want to focus on buying. This could be what? A pullback. Then we could see another impulse move up. Pullback, possibly another impulse move up. This is what I'm expecting of price. Okay. Nevertheless, I already set BE lah because I entered quite early on. So I already set BE lah. So even if it goes down, let's say like what it happened here. If price goes down, still respecting this area, what do you think I will do? I will still wait for buying opportunity. Then I might enter buying again. Okay, that's what I'm aiming for. I hope it won't go to break even lah, for sure lah. Right? Who likes break even? We don't gain anything, but we don't lose anything. Okay, so it's better break even than losing lah. But losing is not a bad thing. I'm saying this, but I don't want you to have that mindset that, oh, I'm gonna say this, break even is better than losing. That means I shouldn't lose. Right, correct. Mochi, yes. My cat also agree with me. Thank you. Okay, that's not it, Please do not think this is the way to success in trading. It is not. Losing is part of every success that I ever have in trading. Without losing, I will never be able to find any form of success also. Okay? So losing is not a bad thing. It's a lesson given to us because we want to become very successful trader. I want to earn this much in trading. I want to be very successful, Okay, God actually hears that and He gives us issues. But those issues are there in place to build us to become stronger. It really depends on how you see it. Once you start to see it properly, right, it will really change how you face or how you get over problems or in general, not only in trading, anything also. I know easier said than done. I know if anybody of you guys are saying that, I understand. Okay, I understand. But trust me, it works, guys. I'm not simply telling you guys stuff I never tried. Okay? it works. It's actually working. I didn't manage to analyze S&P 500 today, unfortunately, so I won't be trading unless really there is still another entry opportunity for me. Yesterday I anticipated for a buy, so it did went up beautifully towards this target area, and then now we came down. I need to later check out S&P 500 for potential opportunity for me personally okay. But for you guys, I primarily want to share only about forex and also crypto space. So I think guys, the live stream I also can end already because nothing much else to share since the market is already running, and I also personally want to enter trades. So ADUSD, I'm primarily focusing on buy. I already entered this and set BE already. So since we are seeing a pullback, right guys, this is your potential opportunity. If it doesn't break through this level, right, for you guys to potentially enter for buy as well. Just wait to see bulls. Okay, your primary focus is you must see bulls. Okay, gold. I am not potentially entering, okay, but I believe this level is the closest security that is about to be taken out, and I believe it will go higher than that. So gold, I personally am not going to be entering because it doesn't fit my entry criteria. Okay, it didn't give me entry opportunity, but I do believe it's going up. Dogecoin, selling opportunity looks very beautiful in my opinion. The market is respecting this range, so I will be ending the live stream later, and I want to potentially find an entry opportunity. Solana also same thing, but I prefer Dogecoin now because Dogecoin there is movement towards the downside. Again, price action is a lot more prettier compared to Solana. If you see, market essentially is just here. But again, guys, you guys can choose. No, this is just my prediction. See, market is just here. It's not really moving down, not really moving up. Okay, I cannot consider this really sideways also. Semi-sideways. Okay, not really. Semi-sideways lah. The Dogecoin is nice. Dogecoin actually has some movements towards the downside. That is why I have more focus towards Dogecoin. But again be aware, just because I say sell, don't enter sell, guys. Primarily, right, the markets for crypto space as of now is moving where? Up or down? You guys know this lah. If you guys are trading, you guys know this. We are moving primarily up. Everything is usually moving up nowadays. So to focus on sales, personally, my advice to you, if you guys are new in trading, don't enter. Okay, you guys never hear, I don't know, you guys ever heard on live stream anybody say don't enter. I'm doing it. Don't enter. Just look at the market based on what I'm saying. See it play out or not. But if for buying opportunity for now, I will let you guys know. Okay, enter. Okay, I just want to share you my prediction where I think price is about to go. Just see how the market flow. Okay, because primarily better to focus on buy now because people are having a lot of confidence in the crypto space because you can see, right, Bitcoin keep on making new highs all. So because of that, people have a lot of confidence, so they are investing in other semi-popular and also popular cryptocurrencies like Solana, okay, Dogecoin, ETH, XRP. If you guys not sure, it blew up. Okay, it really just blew up. So anybody that bought spots for XRP, congratulations to you. Okay, so remember, for sell, I wouldn't advise you guys to enter, but we can primarily just focus on the market as of now. Just see how it will flow. But if buys, okay, you guys can focus because overall it is kind of moving up right now. Okay, guys, so I will end the live stream here. I appreciate every single one of you guys that are actually watching the live stream today. Please do give me a like, okay, on the video. That will be very helpful to my channel to really grow and reach out to as many other traders out there that actually need help to understand how to read price action. Because my goal is that. So your like alone will help me out a lot. I appreciate that so much. And also do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. We do live streams like this from Monday to Friday. I need to set the time again, usually around 8:30-ish. Today, because something came up, 9:30. Roughly 8:30 to 9:30. Okay, I will be live streaming around this timing. Now, sometimes earlier, but I will let you guys know through my Instagram pages and all that. So, if you guys like, you guys can follow me on Instagram. If you guys let me know you're from YouTube, I would love that so much lah. Because I am trying to grow my YouTube page. Growth is a bit slow, but nevertheless, I appreciate everyone. Whenever I see, a new subscriber, I really feel like a YouTuber, to be honest. Sometimes on a day-to-day, I just wake up, I'm a YouTuber, respect me. No. But I do feel happy about it. I genuinely do feel happy about it. So that's all thanks to you for making my day. Without knowing you guys are making my day. Okay? And I owe that thanks to you. That's why I make sure I come live stream day to day for you. Okay? So guys, thank you once again. I know I said it many times. Have a wonderful rest of the day. I will catch you all in the very next live stream. Take care guys. Safe journey.